Okay, guys. This is Thursday evening, and I'm taking you to a trip to Ngong Highway, the Ngong Highway, the Ngong Road. So I'm gonna show you a couple of few tips about this place. It's all the way from CBD town to the Karen Estate, where I'm gonna show you a few tips. Okay, we have the Talanta project over here that's been worked on over some few periods since last year, 2024. Till now we head in 2025, heading to 2026, and it will be fucking completed at the end of the second month of the next year. And here's the problem. Here's the project. A closer view by zooming. It's so big, holding a capacity of 60,000 people and a total of 3,000 parking for the vehicles. Okay, guys. And evening, it's almost 7 in the evening, and I'm about heading home all the way from the job. So I decided to take a short clip just to show you of the Ngong Highway. You can check it. It's a busy highway. Right now it ain't got so much of the jam, but you can see over there to the way to Karen. It's kind of busy. On this evening, here we got the Ngong forest starting all the way from here, just behind the Talanta Sports City project. There you can see it's so fucking cold over here. Every day by day, fucking cold. And over here we have the Ngong estate. So if you're trying to look for the Talanta Sports City project, it's just left to left, right and left of the road. And around this petrol station, this gas fueling station over here, you can check it. So busy with a lot of cars, many cars. All the way this lane, it's heading to Karen, straight forward, and the other way, heading straight for the CBD town. Just located over some flyover not completed, across by from the side to the next side. You can see the view. This side we have from the CBD. You can check it. And here we have the way to the Jamhuri Talanta Sports City project. Going through the way behind those houses to the gate. Here you can check it, guys. Anyway, we have our guy here. That's Father J, our guy, our YouTube guy. So he would like to recommend you. I'd like to recommend you to share, subscribe, and like the video that he'll be posting on the Thursday evening. He's a guy. He's got some few tips that he wanna talk to you. Okay, it's alright if you just listen for a while, niggas.
Okay, guys. I may say thank you for those who are supporting me, for those who are watching my videos. Just stay tuned, subscribe. Maybe you just wonder why am I carrying these things. I'm just coming from job. This is an helmet, and here I have reflector, and this is my mavic here. So guys, I'm just about from job. As you can see, I'm wearing this gumboot. The weather is not good here, so I decided to wear gumboot. So guys, subscribe, comment, share. Remember, we are on the road of getting 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Wait for the next video. That it will be very amazing. That will be going to take at Ngong Forest, inside the Ngong Forest. Thank you. May God bless you.
Okay, guys. That's a quick math, and we're about to leave from the video. Here we got one of the guys we're working with. He can maybe say hi to you.
Okay, guys. As you are one of our brother, let us support our brother to reach at a maximum
1,000 and above.
1,000 and above.
Subscribers.
Please, guys, let us support our guy. Bye.
Okay, that's for today on Thursday evening. Crossing over, wait for your next video over the weekend. Tomorrow or over the weekend, you'll get your new video from Father J. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel of Father J. Here we're going today. I'm about to show you the Ngong Highway, and also I want to show you the stadium being built. That will be the biggest in East Africa, holding over a capacity of over 60,000 people. Okay, now we are at Ngong Highway, the highway from CBD direct to the current place, and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, just around the Ekang Highway, there it is, you can see it. These Ekang buildings over here. I'm gonna turn it around Total. We're gonna turn it to the left side of it. There we have Talanta, the main project that I told you that I'm gonna show you. Okay, this project is so big, so wide, holding a lot, over 3,000 workers, laborers working over here, working with the Chinese over the project. I wouldn't show you inside, but I'm a bit on the outside, so there you can see it. There you can see the Talanta project. It's been worked on. You can check it. And then go highway. It's fucking couple of many cars passing over here. Okay, we just over on the flyover. Though it's not completed yet. Yeah. These are some two old government headquarters that used to be by now changing to people living over there. Okay.
And here I am. Welcome guys to my channel. It's been a long time without uploading. Here I am. I'm at the Ngong Road.
Doing what?
I'm just coming from job right now. So guys, at where we are at the Ngong Road. Here we are. Not too much Alibaba.
Not too much.
It is tight. So tight. As you can see, that is Talanta Sport Club.
Yeah.
Show them.
You can see over there.
Yeah, that's Talanta Sport Club. And here we are at this is a bridge also.
This is a flyover.
A flyover.
Not completed over.
Flyover, Ngong Road flyover. That's the Ngong Highway. At the evening time. So guys, stay tuned. Subscribe, comment and share. Maybe it's your first time to be in my channel, kindly subscribe, share to many people as you can, so that we can grow together. We know guys, we do depend on each other.
If you wish, you can send me money.
That's my friend, so you just understand him. he is always funny, so you just understand him. So just guys have a view of Ngong Highway. Pantaweka ngoma iimbe.